When filming hotels, there are three main benefits. One, first and foremost, is the energy savings. A lot of hotels have inefficient glass, and the window film will increase that efficiency without having to replace the glass. The second benefit is to improve the occupant or guest's comfort. A lot of other retrofits, lighting or water retrofits, will save money, and which are great, but our retrofit will do that and also improve occupant comfort. The third thing is aesthetically. Many hotels have clear glass, and when you look through the clear glass and you look at a hotel from afar, you can see a lot of curtains or blinds. With window film, you can kind of give a consistent look to the whole front and back of the hotel.
I think there's a lot of reasons that you want to do a window tint project. The first and most obvious, of course, is potential energy savings. In the case of my hotel, we use package terminal air conditioning units, or PTACs, and any opportunity to make them run less and work less hard is a good opportunity.
Window film has always been sort of a retrofit that has not been considered for hotels or large commercial buildings. We're not inventing any new products, we're just utilizing the product in a different way. And we're utilizing rebates to offset the cost of these projects, so they become very, very attractive to hotel owners.
We were proud to have been a part of the Hilton Los Angeles PACE project. We teamed with an outstanding group of other retrofit providers, and we see this as just a beginning in a new wave of sustainable solutions for hotels.
We want to know that we're not adding a greater global footprint when we move around this earth or around our country or around our state. And people can come here now knowing when they stay at a Hilton, they're staying at a place that is conscious of that changing world and is doing something to solve that problem. And a project of this magnitude, the largest energy efficiency retrofit of its kind in the United States, is only possible when we're all on the same page.
This represents the 2013 utility bill of Hilton Los Angeles Universal City as part of the ribbon cutting, and this project is cutting that bill in half.
One of the most important aspects of doing a hotel is making sure that we don't interfere with the hotel operations.
If I compare the window film installation project compared to other energy savings projects that we've done, in terms of being pain-free, I would describe it painless. Crew was exceptional, worked fast, worked clean, there was nothing to do behind them. Solar Art guys did a good job.